Hello, my name is Xavier. Welcome to Royole. It's a pleasure to introduce my company to you. So you can see here, it's a map of Royole Campus of Flexible Display. It's based in Longgang District in Shenzhen. In fact, it's also the first factory of Royole's Flexible Display. This part is the factory, okay, and this part is a supply center of various kinds of energy. It can keep the factory operating through any kind of condition. And this is a part of office building of Royole's Corporation. The construction surface of this campus is 400,000 square meters. It was started construction from 2015 and finished by 2018, and we have started our mass production line in 2018 successfully. So Royole has two core technologies. We have flexible display and flexible sensor. Here are some demonstrations of our technology and or maybe the prototype. You can see here is a flexible display, and it's really light, really slim. Even with the wind, it can be blown up. And this demonstration, you can see we can form it in almost any shape. So here is another core technology, is the flexible sensor. You see, it's the normal material, the cloth, the leather, the paper. It's integrated with our flexible sensor, so you can touch it, and it's very sensible. It supports multi-touch with your 10 fingers at the same time, no problem. And this is another application of flexible sensor. So this is a switch, but we can control it with simple gestures. To slide it to change the temperature of the light. Here is the Flexpai. It's the world's first commercial flexible display smartphone. It's an integration of smartphone and the tablet. When you unfold it, you will have a screen with almost 8 inches. And when you fold it, it's a portable mobile phone, which is very convenient to take away. And inside it, we have designed an operating system named WaterOS to make sure that you can have a fluent operating experience. And we have used the Qualcomm's 7 nanometer precise SoC, which is very strong. So this is an application of flexible display. This is a smart soundbar, but we have added a flexible display here. So you can see it's in a very fashionable shape. And you can control it, you can tap it, control it with your gestures. Here is an application in smart transportation field. So here is a dashboard. It's a flexible display plus flexible sensor. It's touchable. You can control it with gestures. And also, the technology allows our flexible sensor and flexible display very light. So it can reduce the space and the weight inside your car. So here is the t-shirt and the height equipped with our flexible display. In this part, we can remove it away so you can wash your clothes easily. And this part, you can play the content whatever you want. The image, the video, all is possible. And it's supplied by a normal power bank. So this is a end customer product, a selfie stick. It's very light, and this part is a flexible sensor, so you can do the operations in this part with simple gestures. This is another consumer electronic product. Is Royole. It's a smart handwriting pad. You can write down on the normal papers, but you can have an electronic copy on your smart device. You can have the a video record of your handwriting, and you can share it with your friends by Instagram, WhatsApp. in your social networks. And all these contents are reserved in the clouds, also the paper. So this is a consumer electronic product, Royole Moon. It's an integration of head-up display and a casket. The design makes you easily to take it away with you, especially for the businessman. It's independent operation. You can take it on the airplane and have your own 2D or 3D content. You can enjoy a movie. So when you start it up, you will have a 800 inches big screen, and this gasket is also reduce noise. Can reduce noise, so you can have enjoy your own time without interruption, and control it with this part. It's a flexible sensor. You can touch it and with simple gestures. And this is flexible leaf. In fact, it's an application of flexible display. It's also customized. You can change the shape whatever you want as what you like. So here are some applications of our Flexible Plus platform. We are integrating flexible electronics technology into our various scenarios in our life. So that's what Royole does. We want to change the way people perceive the world.